Hello friends, I'm Deep Shantara and now you're watching Only for Design. So last day I show you how to configure HTML file in WordPress. So please watch this video. I put this link in description and also I button. So please uh, have a look this video. How is this? If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video, and please keep support. Please keep supporting me. So let's get started. So today I show you very simple way. Very simple way. This is the HTML menu. You can see this is the HTML menu. It's not the dynamic. This is the drop down. This is the drop down and contact page, blog page, project, service, about and home page. So I show you very easy way how to convert this menu section dynamic. Okay. You can see this is the only HTML. If I review comment out, if I comment out this about page and refresh here, you can see here about is removed. So I show you this is already HTML files. Okay, so how I convert is this HTML file in WordPress. So I have the code. This is the uh, WP admin. This is my custom code file I create myself because this is the very important code which code I need in WordPress. So you can I share this file. I share this file and I share this file in this video. So please download this file also, or you can download this code also from Google. You go to Google, search Bootstrap. Bootstrap nav walker. This is Bootstrap nav walker. You can see this is the code. You can get also there. This is the code. You can see this is the this code, same code. So this is the same code. So I just copy from here and paste it after UL. You can see this is the UL before UL. Sorry, I paste it before UL. Okay, this is the UL, and I comment it this section by menu section. I comment it and just remove this name. Now I refresh here. You can see here have a add a menu button because in dashboard I have didn't create any menu. So go to appearance, then menu, then you can see here didn't create any menu. So I need to create a menu first. Go to header menu and this name is header menu, then create menu. Okay, then you can see automatically I check and this automatically and primary in header menu also, and save menu. You can see this is the only one menu. This is sample menu, and if I refresh here, you can see here I have no any menu. So now if I click this menu, sample menu, add to menu and save menu. Okay, now you can see here the sample page. This is just only a sample page. Okay, now I need to create a page. You can see here I have no any pages, so I need to create a pages. So go to page. I need to create add new page. Then first one is home page, home, and I select this template. Last video I show you how to create a home template or about template, contact page template, project page template. Last video I already show you. So please watch my last video and try to understand. So this is the home template I choose from backend and publish. Okay, so I create more pages, add new, home is complete. Now about this is the about template, select and publish. Okay, then about contact contact page, then select this contact page also, then service blog and projects. I need to add 3 more pages. Add 3 more pages. Services, you can see here also a services page. Publish. Now you can see this is the all our pages. Then I need to 2 page more, blog and projects. So this one blog, and last one is projects. Okay, so my page are done. Publish. Now you can see this is the all my pages, all pages, and go to menu. Now go to appearance, then menu. You can see here automatically reflect all pages, so I remove these simple pages, I don't need it, and this simple page. Then home, about, I drag and drop this contact, drop them down. Then blog, I just resize the pages. Okay, this is the home, about, services, projects, blog and contact. So save. Now you can see it's done. Okay, so in this video I show you how to convert a HTML menu to WordPress dynamic menu. This is a very easy way. I show you. So I show you now I show you how to convert this banner. This is a simple banner. You can see this is a good animation and hover effect. It's a nice banner. So I show you now how to create this banner. Okay. So before start I banner, I show you one thing. So how to create a drop down menu. You can see this is the only the menu. There have no any drop down. So I just show you how to create a drop down menu. This is the very easy. Just I need to create a service page. I create a drop down menu in service page. So just I, as a example, I just put down just this way. Just drag page, drag and save. This is the create. I create a drop down. You can see after service, you can see they have a one down arrow, and if I click here, you can see this drop down. I know this is some CSS error because I need to change some CSS. It's not a problem. The functionality is okay. Functionality is working. You can see if I click the service, it show the this projects tab. So I need just only CSS modify. It doesn't matter. So please try yourself, and if you have any problem, so please comment my video. So I show you the how to create the menu section. Now I show you how to create a dynamic slider. Okay, so this is the very easy way to learn. So you can see this is the slider. You have two sliders, this one and this is the first one and this is second one. So I need one slider just. I remove last one. Okay, done. And this is the first one, carousel slider, owl carousel, and you can see I use the post type. Okay, for slider. This is the post type code. Copy and I paste here, and I remove this code. I don't need this one. Save and change this post name to slider. So I need to create a function. So go to function.php. I think I have already created the fun slider post type. You can see this is the post type. Copy and paste here. This post type name. Select and paste. Save and end while. Copy. Okay, done. Now you can see this is the image. I need to create dynamic this image. So I have another link. This is the dynamic image link. This is the dynamic image link. Just I change there. Okay, save, and I need the content and title. So this is the content. I copy here, and I didn't get the title here because you can see here I have a bar button. So I create this one for this one, then paste. Okay, so now if I refresh here, first I didn't refresh because I need to need this content. So I go to slider, add new slider. First I name just a dummy slider 1. Slider 1. Okay. Now this is the text. I copy this text first. H2. I copy this one. Okay, and paste. This is the heading text, and this is the content. This is the content. So use this content. Copy. Right click inspect and copy. Okay, done. Paste. And I select a banner photo. So go to plumbing, images, slider, and this is the slider. So okay, it's done, but I didn't save yet because first I refresh here. You can see my banner is slider is removed. Now if I publish here, now if I refresh here, you can see it's done. But you have, if you see the CSS issue, you can see a CSS issue. So I need to change something. H2 tag. I think I have some CSS issue in this site, so it doesn't matter. So I can change easily. So now it's a dynamic, but I need one more slider. So if I go to title, this one for title, use title, and here I change to title. Title, save and paste. Now you can see this is working fine. Okay, so I save here. Okay, now it's working fine. So I add new slider. I just copy this content, paste, and this one also paste, and upload a banner, second banner. Select second banner. Now if I refresh here, you can see this is the second banner also. So I show you how to convert a simple way, how to convert a banner HTML to WordPress banner, how to convert a how to create a dynamic slider or banner. So please keep supporting me, subscribe my channel, share my video, please subscribe my channel.